Hi everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today we'll be staying at the 4 Points by Sheraton in Times Square, New York. The hotel does have a lobby bar, not too big, but they do have daily happy hours. They do have a very nice gym, and the rooms were very spacious for New York City standards. We stayed on the 7th floor, room 706. If you're enjoying this video and you haven't done so, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love that the room had a mini fridge, coffee maker, and complimentary water. They did have room service. I didn't order any food, but I was pleasantly surprised that the prices were not outrageous for a New York City hotel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everyone. Bye.